Namaste and welcome to Anand Prakash Yoga Ashram. I'm delighted to share with you a chakra meditation. So make yourself comfortable. Come and lie on the floor, cover yourself with a blanket, maybe support your head under your knees. Allow the feet to relax out to the sides, palms face up. Maybe a slight tuck of the chin so you can create some extra length in the back of the neck. Creating Gyan Mudra, thumb and first finger connecting. And as we settle onto the earth, let's create a few sounding breaths as we inhale through the nose. Exhale with an open mouth and sigh. Releasing your day so far. Let's do that one more time. Fill up the heart space. Exhale, open mouth and sigh. And as you settle onto the earth, allow Mother Earth to support you right now. Making sure that you're comfortable. And close your eyes softly. As you bring your awareness to the base of the spine, Muladhara chakra, the root chakra. The element is earth. The sense is smell. There are 4 lotus petals, and the yantra, the shape, is that of a square. The bija mantra, which means seed, is Lam. Let's create that vibration 3 times in your Muladhara chakra. Inhale. Lam. Inhale. Lam. Inhale. Lam. Feel the vibrations of this mantra traveling through the base of the spine. Inhale, draw the energy a little higher now to the 2nd chakra, Svadhisthana, which means the dwelling place of the self. The element is water. The sense is taste. And there are 6 lotus petals. The vibration is Vam. Let's repeat that together 3 times. Inhale. Vam. Inhale. Vam. Inhale. Vam. as you feel the ripple vibration around the second chakra, connecting you to your creativity, to creation. Inhale as you draw your awareness to the third chakra, Manipura, around the navel. The element is fire, the sense is sight, and there are 10 lotus petals. The vibration is Ram. Let's chant this seed mantra together. Inhale. Ram. Inhale. Ram. Inhale. Ram. As you connect to the qualities of Manipura, the city of shining gems, transformation, vitality, willpower, draw your awareness to your heart center, Anahata. The element is air, the sense is touch. There are 12 lotus petals. And take a few moments to breathe here, to breathe into this space. With each inhale, visualize these 12 petals opening. This is the center of love, compassion, self-love, forgiveness, and gratitude. This is the meeting point between the lower and the upper triangles of the chakra system, creating a 6-pointed star. The bija is Yam. As we chant that together 3 times, visualize expansion taking place here. Inhale. Yam. Inhale. Yam. Inhale. Yam. In your mind's eye, visualize these ripples of love, of healing, of compassion, flowing from you to your family, to your friends, to your environment, to your country, to the whole of the world. As we draw our awareness now up to the throat, Vishuddha. The element is ether, space. The sense is hearing. There are 16 lotus petals. This is the center of expression, communication, authenticity. This is also a creative chakra. The bija is hum. Let's chant that together 3 times. Inhale. Hum. Inhale. Inhale. And be aware of the throat, creating spaciousness here, that you may speak your truth with compassion. And draw your awareness now to the third eye, Ajna chakra. We're beyond the elements, beyond the senses. But I like to think of it as a 6th sense, the sense of intuition. I also like to connect it to the element of light as I bring more light into this chakra. We have 2 lotus petals connecting to Ida and Pingala. The bija is the universal sound of Om as we connect to insight, intuition, and inner vision. Let's chant together Om 3 times. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. And finally, drawing your awareness to the crown of the head, Sahasrara, the 1,000-petaled lotus. This is our connection to the divine, the realm of infinite possibilities, boundlessness, expansion, connection. Here we're beyond senses, beyond elements, beyond mantra. Silently repeating to yourself, so hum, I am that. So hum, so hum, silently to yourself. You can remain in this space for as long as you wish, allowing the energy to flow from the root to the crown, from the crown to the root. Wishing you a blessed day. Namaste.